The 12th of April, 1955, a C-54 Skymaster flies low over a dry Nevada lake bed called Groom Lake. Lockheed engineer Kelly Johnson spots the salt flat from the cockpit window. He sees a perfect natural runway, remote, ringed by mountains, invisible to casual eyes. Within months, the CIA moves in. They call it Area 51.
The base does not officially exist. For decades, the US government denies its very name. Maps show only blank desert. Workers fly in on unmarked Janet jets, windows blacked out, their destinations erased from their pay stubs. Security is absolute. Motion sensors, armed patrols, signs warning that deadly force is authorized.
Then in 1989, a man named Bob Lazar walks into a Las Vegas television station. He claims he worked 9 miles underground, reverse engineering alien propulsion systems at a site called S4. He describes a disk that defied gravity without noise or visible exhaust. His story splits the world in two. Believers and skeptics dig in. The government still says nothing. Satellite images show hangars, runways, unmarked buildings. What lies beneath them remains a locked door,